Hi, my name is Bonnie Ying, and today we're going to talk about using LLaMA to conduct research of public companies' accounting policies. To be publicly listed in the US, a company is required by the US Securities and Exchange Commission to file financial statements in accordance with US generally accepted accounting principles. So a common task for the accounting department of a public company is to perform peer company accounting policy research. While specialized knowledge is required to interpret the research findings, the actual compilation of the policy research is often quite manual and time-consuming. In this project, we're attempting to leverage a large language foundational model, fine-tune it with specialized Form 10K data, and build an agent to retrieve relevant accounting policies from peer companies. Our goal is to optimize the manual and time-consuming process of peer company accounting policy research. We built 3 agents that are trained on 3 different datasets to see if some aspects of the training data can help better fine-tune the model for this task. We found that the agents that are trained on the 2 finance Q&A datasets to perform significantly better than the agent that is trained on the accounting textbook's text. In this experiment, the training datasets that are more generic but more closely mirroring the agent task are more useful than the one that includes domain-specific knowledge but is not well structured. And here are the model performance. Agent 1 and 2 are trained on finance Q&A datasets and got most of the test questions correctly. Agent 3 is trained on unstructured accounting text and performed rather poorly. We'll include a link to the notebook which has the implementation of the code, but let's show a demo of the agent. We're going to be using Meta's Form 10K for this test. So let's ask a question on how Meta recognized revenue. This is accurate, but it's not quite what we're looking for. Let's try again. Sometimes this happens. Similar to other Gen AI apps, such as ChatGPT, the response could be different when we ask the same question since the model is not deterministic. This is more accurate. Let's ask a question on foreign currency translation. And this seems to be correct as well. In conclusion, we find that Agent 1 is a reasonable agent for solving the problem statement, provided that its responses are checked by professional accountants. Nonetheless, this project demonstrates that it's possible to build a fairly powerful agent to answer accounting policy questions even with imperfect training data.